So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can see your YouTube recap in 2025 and even in 2026. Many people have noticed that other people are getting this YouTube recap feature, so how you can get yours? For that purpose, you have to first of all open up your YouTube application, and before opening that, you have to open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. After that, you have to go to the search button and search here YouTube and hit the search button. And when this YouTube app appears up, you have to tap on it and you have to simply update your YouTube application first of all for getting all the new updates and new features. So this is a mandatory step that your YouTube app should be updated. And after updating YouTube, you have to open it, and after that you have to tap on your profile button by tapping on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here at the top next to your name you should see your YouTube recap after updating your application. But if you are still not able to see it, then you have to open up your browser. It can be Safari or Google Chrome or any other browser that you use. Next, you have to tap in your search bar and search here youtube.com/recap and hit the search button. And if your YouTube account is logged in to your browser, then here after signing in, you should be able to see your recap. But if you are still not able to see it, then you should wait for like 2 to 4 days or even 7 days, because this feature is still in beta testing and this may not be available for all the users right now. So just keep your YouTube application updated and keep refreshing your page and you'll surely see it. So that's how you get your YouTube recap in 2025 or even in 2026.